Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to add a hometown life event on Facebook. This is a great way to share your roots and connect with others who share the same hometown. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the text box that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you usually go to create a post. Next, scroll down until you see the Life Events section. Tap on it to explore various categories of life events that Facebook offers. Now select the category called Home and Living. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Hometown. Tap on it to begin creating your post. Once you've selected Hometown, it's time to fill in the details. Add a title for your post, include the name of your hometown, and optionally add a date or description to make it more personal. When you're ready, tap Next at the top of the screen. Before posting, you'll have the chance to select your audience. Choose who can see this life event, whether it's public, friends only, or a custom audience. Once you're satisfied with your settings, tap Post, and that's it. You've successfully added your hometown as a life event on Facebook. It will now appear on your timeline for others to see and celebrate with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.